What's up, guys? It's DMZ TV. I'm your host, Travis. And today, I'm going to be doing my first unboxing. Yo, Dutch, where's the box at, man?
Over there.
Oh, there it is. Woo, this is a big one, and I've been waiting for this. I think I knew this. I knew definitely who this is from. I can't wait to get into this. Get the big boy knife out. Go. Like a kid on Christmas morning. Ho ho! Yo, Dutchy, we got hose. Wow. Jeez, I didn't know you could fit this much stuff in one box. Well, there you have it, folks. Let's go over what was in the box. We have a red and a black SkyHookah aluminum hose. We got the full line of Dawn hookah bowls. We have the Evil Bowl. We have the Solo Bowl, the Turkish Bowl, the Classic Bowl, and the Destiny Bowl. Gotta give a big shout out to our friends Gregory and Dimitri from SkyHookah Distribution. And yo, Dutch, I can't wait anymore. Let's open one of these up and smoke it. Well, I think we're about ready. But first, setups. Today I'm using my brand new B2 Reaper. Don't worry, a review will be coming in the future for that. Paired with the SkyHookah aluminum hose, the Dawn Evil Bowl, and the Phoenix HMD. Let's see how evil this bowl is. Well, it seems to be doing its job just fine. I can't wait to keep testing this. And keep on the lookout because reviews will be coming. I gotta take one last pull. Alright guys, I gotta give a last big shout out to Gregory and Dimitri from SkyHookah Distribution for sending us this awesome care package. If you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you've used any of the Dawn hookah bowls, make sure you leave us a comment and let us know what you think. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Until the next time, guys, DMZ TV out.